Hello folks, this is a demo how to use Audacity software. I'm going to go to a quick demo how to download and bring Audacity. First, Google the word Audacity download. You would get a series of free download. Pick up the one for your machine. Most likely you're going to be using it on Windows, so select the second entry as I shown on this slide. Then you want to download the Audacity. Again, you click on the one that is appropriate for your machine. Click on Windows. You get this one. You'll go to what it says Windows 98 ME 2000 XP Vista Audacity 1.26 installer. It's an executable file about 21 meg, so you gotta be having enough storage to put that much executable file on your machine. Notice when you try to install it, it's going to come and give you a notice to pay attention to your information bar. You want to click on that and download the file. It's going to ask you for run. You don't want to save it unless you want to do it many times. You just want to run it at once. Again, once you run it, it's going to come and ask you about if you trust this publisher and so forth and so on. You want to run it. You go to its wizard. You just keep on clicking next. And you definitely want to accept and agree to their agreement. So next on that. It's going to tell you where it's going to pick it up from and where to put it. So it goes through a series of steps. It's going to put it on your programs file Audacity. I recommend you keep the same path unless you want to do something fancy and you want to move it around. And you want to create the shortcut on the icon desktop, so you can use it anytime you want to. Create a desktop icon. Again, it's going to tell you where it's setting up everything and you want to install. Launch the Audacity after you install it, and then you want to finish it up. Here is where it's going to open up the Audacity for you after the installation. You're not ready to do anything further. You can record, but you can't have the MP3 file. Okay, you can minimize that or put it away or close it. Next thing is that you want to bring a lame encoder file or a DDL. You Google the word lame download or lame download free, and this is what you get. You want to click on Audacity features, place where it has the headset down there right here. When you click on, it's going to come and ask you for saving the file or running it. You want to definitely run it. Again, you want to install the updater and you want to accept that. It's going to give you a bunch of these installations. Some of them you want to decline. It's advertising for some shopping. Like most of these, I just decline on mine. And finally, you get to the last one and you want to install the icon on your desktop and accept. Now make sure that you have the file lame underscore encode DLL saved in the Audacity folder. If it is not located on your machine, and move it to that folder. Now you are ready to start the Audacity and do the recording, and then after that you can export your file. Again, you open your Audacity, and basically the simple form of it, I can tell you, it's just like regular tape recorder. You got a play button, you got a record button, pause button, stop button, fast forward and fast backward. You got a bunch of other knobs and gadgets that you can learn about it later on, but the basics of it, just click on the record, the red button, make sure you got your mic on, and it'll give you a wave sound like this. This is what I recorded for testing, and then you stop it. Once you stop it, you can save it, and then you can export the file as MP3. Again, you go to the file, you go to export MP3, it'll come ask you a bunch of questions on the album, the name, and so forth and so on. You fill it in, and this would be the end. Now, what I have here, I have one file that I recorded in Audacity, and I put it on my desktop, A2, and that's an MP3 file. I can give it to somebody or play that file. When I play that file, here it comes. Okay, this is a test of Audacity. I went to my favorite things fine, and this is the demo. And this would be the end of this demo, and have a nice day.